My name is Anthony Shearer. I teach U.S. History and AP U.S. History, and I also coach cross country and track here at Sherman High School. I think the thing that I enjoy most about teaching is being with the students. They're funny, they're hilarious, it's just a lot of fun to interact with them and to joke around with them, to talk about things that matter to them, and just interact. That's really what feeds my passion for teaching. One thing that I love about teaching at Sherman is the diverse group of kids that we teach, whether it's ethnically, socioeconomically. It brings so many different opinions and ideas to the classroom, and I think there's a great appreciation from many of the students because of their different experiences in life, and that makes the educational experience that much more enriching, I think. I feel honored because I teach with so many outstanding teachers that I work with every day in the building, and I have so much respect for them and what they do, and so to be honored among them is a great privilege, I think. I'm Anthony Shearer, and I'm Bearcat Strong.